Hey guys, so today we got 2 supply packages, and we actually got more than this. I accidentally put some of this away, so we have like jumbo pandas and all that stuff, so you guys can just go check out my website to purchase these. My website is www.charmzilla.com. But yeah, so let's get started. So first, we got 2 styles of the mini panda buns. We still have other styles on my website. Sorry. But we got the mini panda toe and the pink bow. Then we got ice cream. These are double scoop ice creams, and I personally really love we got the chocolate chai. So I personally really do love the colors of these sprinkles. I think they're very, very, very like cool, and I think they're really cute. So we got that one, and then this one also has really awesome colors. This is strawberry and raspberry. We got the strawberry and pistachio, or strawberry and mint chip, and the mint and strawberry. These ones are super squishy, as you guys can see. And then we have the strawberry and blueberry / purple. So those are the ice creams we got. We got strawberries. So we got a lot of these. And we also have a lot more on our website, just so you guys know. Oh yeah, we also got new items. So we have a lot of mini Bitten Buns now, and there's a lot of styles. Then moving on to the recipes, I was super duper excited to bring these in. These ones will actually only be sold on my YouTube shop. So if you guys want to purchase these ones, you guys can check out my. You guys can just PM me or kick me to purchase these ones. So just this item I'm about to show you. So we got these Jumbo Melon Buns. These are not just any Jumbo Melons. They're rare because, as you guys can tell by the thick ice, and these are the super squishy kind, and they're so awesome. I know a lot of people are interested in these, but these do come with original packaging, and they actually do come with a tag, and they are licensed. I'm not sure if you can see that. Let me get a better one just to show you the licensing. I think you can see this one right there. So we got the smiley face, we got the laughing face, and we got the winky face. So yeah, these will only be sold on my YouTube shop. So if you guys want to purchase these melon buns, just let me know, or PM me and click me. Then we got some Sammy's. Oh yeah, we also got only one of each of these ones, but these ones will be sold in my shop. We got these bread buns. So I have a robot one. We got the really rare chocolate pancake style, because these are not produced anymore. They have the new like chocolate cookie one, but this is chocolate pancake, so it's pretty rare. So PM me if you want to get those two. Now we got Sammy's. These are only for my website, unless I put them on a YouTube shop video. So we got like some Dippin' Donuts. We have all the Sammy's, unless they're sold out. But we have all the heart donuts. So here's just the milk cream one. We got the really awesome Jumbo Christmas cake. These smell super good. All these have packaging with the tags like flipped over, and they're normally licensed. And these are rare. We got them straight from Nick. We have all the heart macaroni, so I just got 3 of them. So here's the lemon one. Cherry blossom. And the framboise. We have these 2 styles for the 2.5 cream puffs. Actually, these are the only cream puffs we have. So these ones are super squishy. I think we sold out of the other ones at least. We have more than one of these. These are on my website. And then we have Halloween squishies. We have all of them. I will show you the pumpkin cream puffs. These ones have the cute special tag. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.